I have for you a little bonus video just so that you can learn how Sacred G ties into something more with the Sacred G Fusion and the case of Sacred G Fusion. What I have here is what I call the Tree of Love, and all vibration technology is actually at this top chakra here. So all Sacred G and energy technology is up here. Now this blue chakra here is a Sacred G spot, and that actually links in with your head for your physical structure. This green chakra here is actually the limbic system and ties in with the transporter design, and that has to do with your chest and your heart. The yellow chakra here is your identity, and it actually has to do with your frontal lobe and the ascender design. This orange chakra here has to do with your expression, which is the simulator, and this red chakra here essentially has to do with your cerebellum, motion, movement, and that of course is the activator. Sacred G Fusion is literally like this whole entire tree that also walks you through these outer external chakras, which have to do actually with your job, your friends, you discovering and learning your true passion and purpose, your relationships, your philanthropy, in other words, giving back to the planet in a really big way, and of course family. So you got friendship, relationship, family, and you got your job, you got your studying to your passion, discovering your purpose, and of course serving the planet in a really big way. So these chakras for the Tree of Love actually regulate and explain all the biological systems of how the body opens up. And as you start to learn this Tree of Love more, you'll start to see that there's a double helix inside of it, regulating indicating that it has to do with genetics and your DNA code. There's actually the way that you move through these chakras on some of the advanced systems actually reveal the 23 different chromosomes which make up your entire genetic code. There's some really amazing things in here. Your brainwave states, beta, alpha, theta, delta, and then your second beta as well are all listed. This purple one is invisible. That one's actually above your head here. And what's really neat about this, well, these two are your shoulders. So maybe I'll just show you the whole physical body real quick. So this one's above your head, that's why it's invisible. This one is your head, your shoulders, your chest, your elbows, your stomach, your hands, and your knees and your feet. So here's something really neat that you can do with your actual case of Sacred G Fusion. If you have a stomach ache, you can just grab a glass of water, and with all your Sacred G Fusion inside, you can actually just set your glass of water in your stomach area, and it will charge up that glass of water with the energy for your stomach, and you'll physically feel a difference in your stomach after you drink the water. Let it charge for about 10 minutes. So this case itself allows you to charge water or jewelry or your food, anything that you can put on these chakras here, and it'll put energy in. You take that into your body and it'll increase energy in whichever chakra you want inside your body. So it's a way that you can actually direct where you want that energy to go and what you really want to enhance in your life. So in a way, you can actually pull out with the Sacred G Fusion and this tree, you can actually pull out individual characteristics of each of the Sacred G designs just out of the case alone. And something else that we did, we actually ended up sticking candles on each of the chakras, the same color candles as the chakras, and we lit them up at nighttime, and it looks absolutely amazing with all the flames and how it opens up the design. It's really, really amazing. So we're going to look at some other crystal grids and crystal meditations that you can actually do with the Tree of Love. But Sacred G Fusion is the whole entire tree. It walks you through not only the internal core, which are what the Sacred G designs are for, but also the external systems, and that's what Sacred G Fusion also kicks in as well. Now this top chakra, there's no Sacred G for it, but it is sacred geometry itself. It's energy itself. It's brain waves. It's all five of these combined, essentially. It's the whole system combined. And at this top point, this singularity point, we are all one. We're all already perfect in this place. Now it's this conversion system of energy exchange to really manifest the type of life that we want, so that we can get back into our perfect flow or perfect state again. So that there is a little bonus for you. If you have the Sacred G Fusion, you can actually use this case to charge up water with any of the actual designs. And we're going to be getting a lot more into the Tree of Love and what it's all for. There's child development models in there. It's literally the foundation and structure for the human body and all the development systems. It's amazing. We're going to get more into that on video as well. So that is your extra special bonus. So now you're definitely going to have to pick up some Sacred G Fusion to play around with this in a whole nother way. And those of you that have Sacred G Fusion already, I hope you really enjoyed this little bonus.